Ortiz will lift this into center field for a base hit. And David aboard here with 2 down, kind of flung the bat into fair ground. So he was headed down the first. And David looking back in the direction of home plate umpire Bruce Dreckman.
Yeah, Dreckman getting back slight.
The bat flip by Ortiz.
He throwed him out of the game.
So John Farrell out here after David's been ejected. Now David's throwing him out of the game.
Yeah, he's talking to him, but I mean, it's nothing, nothing big right there.